This is my new Daewoo 700 watt black microwave from AO.com. These are its functions: touch screen, easy, 10 seconds, a minute, and 10 minutes. Keep pressing till you get the amount you want. 1, 2, 3. Right, and then there's different settings for beverages, your power, defrost, pasta, frozen pizza, and the clock. And the auto cook button at the top where you can cook bread, soup, baked potatoes, fresh vegetables and frozen vegetables. Right, this is it working. It fits a bottle nicely inside and it's wide enough for a large plate. Click the start button. It isn't very loud. There's a light that comes on when cooking. The microwave beeps when it's finished, so you press the opening button. And there you go. That is a new microwave.